Today we're going to add to our series of little characters from video games. From the Mario games, we're going to draw King Boo. He's sticking out his tongue and his big sharp teeth are glaring at you. You need a little color for the crown he's got on, but for the rest it's kind of a line drawing. Little pink tongue and yellow and green and red for the gems in the crown. It's not a hard picture, but it's fun. I'm getting going right now. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.